Good evening, my name is Dina Lloyd Waterford. I'm the Mayor of Kidwelly Town and Mynyddygarreg. I'm here this evening to switch on the Christmas lights. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lights on, ray! Good evening, it's lovely to be up here in Mynyddygarreg this evening. We are here to do the Christmas switch on. So we'll do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Hey! Wow, we got
Kidwelly, hope you're all well and hope you're going to have a good Christmas, because I'm still coming to see you this Christmas, but I won't be in the park, I won't be in my grotto, but I've been very, very busy. So I hope you're all well, and I hope you've been very good children this year, and you need to look after your mums and dads and be the greatest kids ever. All the best, Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry Christmas to you all, and a happy, but most of all, a healthy New Year.